Bomba clot. My baby got ya. As the bomba clot seed. My fat kayaka. It's bomba clot.
Hey.
Chat, I'm D1 selling.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go!
Yeah, I'm putting a fatty here now.
Yeah! Good job! You got vicious!
What is this, bruh?
No, it's in.
Oh my god,
Oh,
bruh.
it's in your inventory. Wait, get a new high slot!
Okay, that's wild.
So you can place a vicious bee. I'm so smart, right? Yeah!
I'm gonna go.
Alright, let's see it. Yeah! Good job. Now you have to level it up. No. Yeah. Let's go. You got vicious. Now your attack will be like. Wait, try getting a coconut crab. Yes, it stings him in the balls. Of course it will. No, literally, look. For wheelsies. Yeah, you still can't defeat him, but like your attack is like significantly higher. Yeah, but your attack is significantly higher. That's a good part.